Boom, I'm out again at another property, and I am checking this out property, and I'm wanting you to invest in it. On a serious note, we've got the fund that's open up, and the fund is really opened to you to invest in. And what are you investing into? Properties like these ones, where I am going to do a walkthrough, and so that you can see what you're investing in. This is a student accommodation, and ladies and gentlemen, yes, you can invest in it. And let's jump into it and see what it looks like. Oh, I love this property here. It is in the middle of the highway, kind of like in a very main street. And on here, as we just walk in, you can see from here, it's got a little bit of 1, 2, 3. It's a triple bed, right? Triple bed, that's where you can see it. All of them in here, they've got their own cupboard, and bar, and nicely carpeted. There you are, you can see nicely carpeted, and the bedroom there. And this is what you are investing in, ladies and gentlemen. This is what you're investing in. I'm going to go through into the next room. This place here is fully kitted up. Ready for students to be coming in. I'm going through into one of the other bedrooms, and within this bedroom in here, you can actually see there's a one bed in here with a cupboard. So this kind of like a shared space. But I'm going to go in here and look at that. All right? Lovely curtains. I like the curtains. The curtains are nice. Yeah? And you, like, when I'm saying you, I'm talking to you that you can invest in this property here and we can start making some money. This is what student accommodation is all about. And if you have never seen what student accommodation is all about, it's the students' needs accommodation, right? Simply put, that's what it is. So if you look at it, you got 3 beds there into the entrance. You got another 4 bed in here, spacious room. And that's the one there. The 5th one we saw in the other room. And I'm going into the corridor. And into that corridor here, I'm going into another bed, right? And this is bedroom number, well, not bedroom, but bed. Another bed, which is shared as well. Some nice funky curtains, right? Spacious cupboards, right? Nice chandelier, right? There you go, right? So you too can invest in a property like this one, where we can actually be banking some more money into student accommodation. And there's another room in here. 1, 2. These guys are sharing, and again, ample space for the cupboards. Nice chandelier again, right? On a property like this one, we could be making some money. You can invest on a property like this one, and the two of us, M5 Fund and you, we could be making some money whilst buying into a property like this one. And I'm going to go into a bathing room. Oh, this bathing room looks dope. Really, really nice. It's got a shower on here. Look at that, right? Look at that. That's the shower there. The bath is right here. Nicely looked after. And there's another toilet in here. Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, on a property like this one, I am talking from the bathing room. That's why there's a big air core, and I'm going in. This is like the kitchen. So we're still doing, there's lots of work that's still happening in here. This property is, we're still sort of like getting there. And we need your money to finish off this project so that it can be ready for the students. And some of the furniture is in here. You can see multiple fridges. You can see there multiple stoves, multiple microwaves, multiple everything, because obviously you've got more students in here. Multiple bathing rooms, and what's in here? Voila! It is another room as well. There you are. You can see it's a double room as well in here. And this place here has got one of those old fridges. Nice. All right. So this is one of the other properties that you can actually invest in. And your money comes through in here. You earn a good return. And let's check out what outside looks like. And outside looks like there's a whole lot of, so the laundry can happen here. There you go. Outside. There you go. And this is the outside area. And the outside area is obviously where the guys can just chill out and have some good time. Probably we need a braai area or something like that. But you can see there's lots of work that needs to be done here. And you can invest alongside us. We haven't gone through into that room, into the thatched house. We are going to go into it. We literally bought this property, its own contract. And we need your money to finish off doing a whole lot of things. Can we start like this? Yes, we can. But there is an opportunity as well to really optimize it. And that's where you come in. So the fund has closed this deal. And that's a lovely climber, isn't it? It is. So the fund is going and it's got this property in here. And let's check out, this is an outside bathroom room and an outside wall, right? And as you can see, this is the house, right? This is the house. Now, let me just be clear, a little bit clear in terms of this property here. I need you to invest in a property like this one where we can do student accommodation, right? You have seen the setup. Out of it, right? The fund owns this property. You come in and invest within the fund, you get some returns. If you choose the route to be going through into the 12J, you get your incentives around the tax there, but you still are able to earn the reward of the investment, right, on your initial capital. So what do I mean by that? For every 100,000 that you have invested in, you potentially can get back around about 40, 45,000 of it, depending on your tax bracket. But your returns are still pegged on 100,000. So which means your money is really working hard for you. And you don't do nothing. We M5 Property Addicts get to do all the work. This is another project that the fund has closed. And we can literally, these are all rooms that can be utilized. And the fund is able now to work for you. It is TJ. I am hoping that I will be seeing you as and when we are having these chats around the fund. But for now, you need to click on the link below so that we can get this project going. Let's go in here. It looks like this is also a unit. Yeah, it is a unit. Two can share this room. Look at it. Nicely thatched room that we can have a look in. All right? Have a look. There you go. It's on bed. Spacious. There's still plenty of space in here. So all of us, we can invest in here. And I'm going to check you out on the next videos. But for now, you need to be investing. The 12J is coming to a close. You want to be involved. And click on the button below so that you can invest with us.